Welcome back to New Look. We women naturally don't have patience in every aspect, especially in the beauty section. We don't have any patience. We use parlors, dairy products available in the market, chemical products, whatever we have in the market. We all use those products to get a fairer skin for instant results, but those are very harmful for your sensitive skin. Now I am going to show one instant skin whitening remedy which is readily available at your home. All the materials are readily available at your kitchen. So now going into the process. This is a DIY treatment. You all can, for this DIY, that is instant homemade skin whitening remedy, I am going to use just a single ingredient, that is Multani Mitti. This is very helpful in nourishing your skin. Also it regenerates any dead skin cells. It helps to improve your skin lighter and brighter. Now using this Multani Mitti, I am going to prepare a mask, face mask. Now taking a clean and neat bowl, add 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti, exactly 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti. This is our main ingredient. For making the paste, I am using rose water here. If you have tomato juice or lemon juice, you can use those also. Here I am using rose water to make it a paste. This Multani Mitti is very smooth and the smell is quite sweet. Yes. Prepare a paste. This paste will be thin like this. Mix well. This face pack will give instant results because this Multani Mitti is very natural. Please make sure that there are many Multani Mitti, many brands available in the market regarding this Multani Mitti. Please make sure that you are buying the original and genuine product because you are applying this to your face. It is very sensitive, so be careful while purchasing this Multani Mitti. Mix well. See, the paste will be like this. After making paste, just take a soft bristle brush, dip into the mixture and apply a layer on your face. This is very helpful. I use this regularly. It has many properties so that it will be very helpful to your skin to get fairer, spot free, wrinkle free. Apply a thin layer like this and allow to dry. It will take just 3 to 4 minutes to dry because it is very thin. Don't massage now, just allow to get it dry. After getting dry, just take another layer into your brush and apply like this. This face pack, don't try to laugh, speak, because it will result in getting wrinkles. This face pack tightens your skin, removes the blemishes, After getting the dry, it will take around 15 to 20 minutes, that's it, because we add 2 layers, 2 coats. So after that, after getting dry, just wash with water. This is very important natural remedy which gives instant results for your skin whitening. Do try this and comment in the comment section your results. And that's it for now, guys. Please subscribe to our channel, New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.